delving into the evolution and significance of the TAP embroidery file format. Embroidery has long been an intricate art form, embedded with tradition and evolving with technology. In that journey of evolution, a remarkable development occurred in the realm of machine embroidery with the creation of the TAP Embroidery machine. Emerging from the innovative tech landscape of Japan, the Happy Japan Company Limited released this groundbreaking machine in the dawn of the 1990s. It won over the market with admirable speed, owing to its proficiency in delivering precision embroidery with a flair for efficiency. Despite its prowess, the machine was in need of a bespoke file format, tailored to maximize its potential, an answer that took shape as the TAP Embroidery file format. Crafted with precision by the software engineers at Happy Japan, the TAP file format was engineered to encapsulate every detail required by the Happy Embroidery machines. It encapsulated stitch patterns, color codes, and the exact sequence to execute each design flawlessly. Initially, this file format was exclusive, a proprietary gift to Happy machine users, cementing the symbiotic relationship between hardware and software. Yet, it didn't take long before the TAP format reached beyond its initial confines, finding acceptance and utility in other embroidery systems as its versatility was recognized. Exploring the intricacies of the TAP file format. At its core, the TAP file format is constructed as a vector file, able to store elaborate details of embroidery patterns. It comprises layers of essential data like stitch types, thread colors, and the order in which stitches should be applied to the fabric. The essence of its design is binary, speaking a language only decipherable by embroidery machines that are fluent in its code. One of the distinguishing attributes of the TAP format lies within its duality. It houses design details that are universal, but it also includes instructions nuanced to suit the specific embroidery machine in use. Consequently, a single design file may yield varying results across diverse embroidery systems, each reflecting the unique mechanical characteristics and configurations of the respective embroidery machinery. A pattern executed marvelously on a Happy machine, for instance, might vary subtly when interpreted by another brand's equipment. Over the passing years, the TAP embroidery format has experienced a series of enhancements, with revisions aiming to boost cross-compatibility, integrate innovative functionality, and remedy any glitches encountered along the way. With the commitment to continuous improvement, the format evolved, reaching its 11th iteration to date. The TAP format in the contemporary embroidery landscape. Despite its vintage origins in the 1990s, the TAP format persists in the modern embroidery industry. Its adaptability has assured its compatibility with an expansive array of embroidery machinery brands beyond its initial pairing, and it enjoys widespread support from numerous software solutions designed for embroidery creation and editing. As such, crafting and customizing embroidery for a medley of machines, Happy and otherwise, is facilitated through the enduring relevance of the TAP file format. Nevertheless, in the dynamic world of technology, progress is perpetual. Emerging formats, such as the well-established DSD file, vie for prominence, offering advanced stitch type support and superior adaptability with a breadth of embroidery systems. Such advancements signal a new era in embroidery file formats, driving the industry toward a future where potential is constantly redefined. Reflecting on the TAP embroidery format's legacy and future. The tale of the TAP embroidery file format is not only one of technical development, but is also a narrative steeped in the transformation of an age-old craft meeting modern innovation. It began as an exclusive companion to the Happy embroidery machine, only to transcend its origins, being embraced by a wider community of machine embroiderers. Its persistence into present-day use is a testament to its robust design and the foresight of its developers. Looking ahead, as the world witnesses advancements in embroidery technology, the question of the TAP format's longevity looms. Will it continue to flourish, or will it be eclipsed by new file types promising even greater capabilities? Time will unveil this mystery, but regardless of the outcome, the TAP file format remains an indelible part of the chronicles of embroidery, a testament to the industry's adaptive essence and relentless pursuit of excellence. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.